To pair your iPhone with the new BMW iDrive 7 operating system and activate Apple CarPlay, first ensure that Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Siri voice operation are all switched on. Next, activate the Communications menu by selecting COM on the left side menu of the control display or by pressing the COM button on the iDrive controller. Select Mobile Devices on the left side and then New Device on the right side. This is where you'll indicate how you'd like to use the new device. For this instance, we want Apple CarPlay. Thus, choose Phone Calls and Audio via Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay. If your device is visible to others, it will appear on the iDrive as a nearby device. BMW's identity will now appear on your phone. Tap the identity and follow your iPhone steps to pair. Once connected, a verification number will display on your device. Confirm this number on the iDrive. CarPlay will be displayed. This button allows you to switch between iDrive and CarPlay. For more information, you can find additional BMW Genius videos here on our YouTube channel. You can call the BMW Genius hotline or ask a BMW Genius at your nearest BMW center.